Welcome back to Think Sharp Alley. Your daily dose of board exam prep starts now. Here is today's must-know MCQ for class 10. This quadratic has a twist. If fx equal to ax square plus bx plus c has no real zeros and a plus b plus c is less than 0, then what can you say about c? First, f1 is equal to a plus b plus c, which means I have just put 1 in place of x. So 1 square is 1, so a plus b plus c. Now a plus b plus c is given to be less than 0, so f1 is less than 0. At x equal to 1, the point is below the x-axis and fx has no real zeros, which means the graph does not touch the x-axis at all. So the parabola is either completely above or completely below the x-axis. But we already have a point that at x equal to 1, it's below the x-axis. So the graph cannot be above. Let me explain this. That means at x equal to 1, the value of the function is negative. So the graph is below the x-axis at that point. It will cut the line x equal to 1 below the x-axis, somewhere over here, these points, right? So if the parabola were upward opening, let's say something like this, then it would go to positive infinity on both sides. That means it must cross the x-axis somewhere. But the question says no real zero. So upward opening is not possible. So therefore the parabola must be downward facing so that it stays completely below the x-axis. Therefore we have seen the entire parabola lies below the x-axis, and the only way that happens is it must be downward opening. Now check f0. f0 is equal to c, because if you place 0 in place of x, a, the first term, the second term vanishes, so we are left with only c. And we know c is the y-intercept. Now since the whole graph is below the x-axis, c must be less than 0. And the correct answer is option B, c, less than 0. And if this clicked, quadratic graphs just got easier. Subscribe to Think Sharp Alley and click that bell icon. Master one question every day. See you tomorrow.